Hello, friend. If Canva and Etsy aren't on your radar yet, you're missing out on a true digital revolution and an incredible profit opportunity. Canva is an absolute powerhouse in the design industry, making it incredibly easy for anyone, yes, anyone, to create stunning visuals that pack a punch. But Canva and Etsy are not just business tools, they're also a gateway to a lucrative turnkey opportunity, even if you don't care to learn anything about Canva and Etsy. Imagine crafting unique logos, creating eye-catching social media posts, producing engaging videos, creating highly profitable digital products, all with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Canva's massive library of templates, images, and design elements makes it a game changer for entrepreneurs, marketers, and creative teams. Join over 60 million savvy users across 190 countries who rely on Canva to elevate their brand and digital product offerings. It's the internet's premier design tool, and for good reason. Now, here's where it gets exciting. With my exclusive profit method, I'll show you how to purchase Canva Pro reseller licenses for dirt cheap and how to flip them for big profits. It's a proven business model that's as easy as it is profitable. Sell these licenses, train others, and watch your profits soar. Imagine flipping design work on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or offering lifetime pro subscriptions to online entrepreneurs and influencers. The opportunities are endless and the profits are real. But that's not all. By combining the power of Canva and Etsy, you can unlock even more profit potential. Use Canva to create and sell digital products. Etsy is one of the best websites to sell and flip digital products. Or create your own side hustle and sell your designs on sites like 99 Designs and Freelancer. I'll show you exactly which sites are the best. I'll also show you a hidden Canva and Etsy secret on how to gather more email subscribers than you ever thought possible. Etsy sellers are thriving by offering unique digital downloads that customers love. And with Canva's tools, you can design these products effortlessly and sell them for big profits. The possibilities are endless. So, don't wait. Dive into the Canva and Etsy revolution and transform your business today. Seize this amazing opportunity before the countdown runs out and it's gone forever. Click below this video to check out our amazing Canva and Etsy profit method.